In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your GO2bank card. Whether you received a new card or need to activate a replacement, we'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Receive your GO2bank card. Once your GO2bank card arrives in the mail, check the contents of the envelope to ensure you have the card and any necessary documentation. Step 2. Locate your card information. Before you can activate your card, you'll need the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code found on the back of your card. Make sure you have all these details handy. Step 3. Call the activation phone number. To activate your card, you'll need to call the GO2bank activation phone number at 1-833-648-6221. This number is available 24/7, so you can call anytime. Step 4. Follow the automated instructions. Once you dial the activation number, you'll be greeted by an automated voice system. Follow the prompts carefully. You will be asked to enter your card number, enter the expiration date, provide the CVV code, answer any additional security questions if necessary. Step 5. Create your PIN, optional. If you haven't already set up a PIN for your card, the system may prompt you to create one. Choose a secure PIN that you can easily remember, but that is hard for others to guess. This PIN will be required for ATM withdrawals and other card transactions. Step 6. Confirmation. Once you've completed all the steps, you'll receive a confirmation that your card has been successfully activated. You can now use your GO2bank card for online and in-store purchases. Step 7. Download the GO2bank mobile app, optional. For added convenience, consider downloading the GO2bank mobile app. The app allows you to manage your account, track spending, check balances, and more, all from your smartphone. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues during activation, ensure that the information you entered is correct. Double-check your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If the activation phone number is not working, you can also activate your card online by logging into your GO2bank account. That's it. Your GO2bank card is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials and helpful guides. Thanks for watching.